Hey, this is D Revolution, the book whisperer. I've written 4 screenplays, 3 books, and I've recorded 3 poetry CDs. Please press like and subscribe to this channel to get storytelling tips and self-publishing tips. If you get a chance, go over to the website, blackbooksfuzz.com, or go to the Facebook group, Black Books for United States. Now, I've talked about this in several videos. There are so many people that are writing books or trying to write books about their story. Now, again, there are people who are writing books because they feel like they have a story to tell. That's actually not true. They're writing a book because they feel like they've been through a lot, but they don't really have a story to tell. And that is what I'm saying. When you decide to write your autobiography, you must have a story and not just a sequence of events of things that you've been through. What's your story? How did you get through those things that happened to you? And what's the moral? What's the point you're trying to make to your audience? That is a story, especially when you're telling the autobiography. You're reminiscing on how you grew up and how things went with you. And but most people, they think they have a story to tell, and that's fine because most of us do. But as I tell people, that when you tell the story, what's the bigger picture of the story? If you just write a book about things that's happened to you, that you've been through, with no moral point to it, it's not going to be a good book. So you got to be sure to tell us a story, even if it is about your life. Um, Even if it is about your life, and give us a bigger picture, to a wider view of how you came through this, and how it benefited you, and how it may benefit your reader as well. I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to this channel for storytelling tips and different things. I'm a 30-year veteran writer, master storyteller. Peace.